QNT from my last update has now given us a bit of a short-term pullback from the highs we made above the 136 USDT mark in a move that has now lost a horizontal line of support above the 125.46 mark, flipping it back into resistance. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above for us to expect another bounce in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, you can see that I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 125.46 USDT mark, completing the formation of that first wave. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using that blue target area, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside, starting the formation of these wave 3 to the upper side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave, and on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to as my next upside target area lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 193.93 USDT mark, and that is an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming weeks. And remember, in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulse, we also need to expect a 5-wave structure to also play out, just like we did in the formation of that first wave over here. And I believe that at the time of this recording, we have now peaked impulsively in the formation of that first wave, and the pullback that is playing out at the moment is a short-term pullback in the formation of that second wave, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of that wave 1. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.382 and the 78, and that is between the 116.6 mark and the 96.4 mark, which is that yellow target area. And you can see that we have seen a pullback into that target area, and QNT is now reacting on the upper side of that target area. And in case the reaction is strong and we have that bullish momentum, then we could have a low in place in the formation of that second wave, and the wave 3 could be starting, which can easily continue pushing higher in the next coming days. But if by any chance the market continues to show further weakness, then I will be expecting one more new low within this yellow target area before we can get a reversal in the next coming days and continue pushing higher. So as long as we continue holding within this yellow target area between the 116.28 and the 96.24 mark, then there's a very high chance of a reversal in the next coming days. And the worst case scenario can only play out if by any chance we get a break out of this yellow target area to the downside. If that plays out, then that will be a clear indication that we still don't have a low in place in the formation of that second wave over here, and whatever has been playing out over here is still an ABC corrective structure, having that as a wave A. Then we can term that as an overshooting wave B, and we can easily get one more new low in case we break out of that yellow target area to the downside back into this blue target area down here, which was the minimum pullback target area for that second wave. And the blue target area lies between the 73 USDT mark and the 92.02 USDT mark. So those are the two possible scenarios that I expect can play out here on the QNT chart in the next coming hours and also days. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.